So this is our 3.3 kilowatt charging station. So in this you can charge a two-wheeler and a three-wheeler as well, depending upon the battery capacity. For the charging time varies from 2 hours to 2.5, 3, depending upon the battery size. So this is an outdoor unit. It is of an IP65 enclosure. So even if you place it outside, you don't have to worry about the weather condition while charging. So coming
Price?
the price would be at 10,000 rupees per unit. So this is a 22 kilowatt charging station. This is a concept idea that we came up with. As you can see, you can run 2 ads in this and a scrolling ad. So this ad can also provide a passive revenue for the owner who's running the whole franchise setup. So it has 2 guns. Namely, it's called a CCS2 connector. So it has 2 guns and can charge 2 vehicles at a time. To operate this, it's a very simple operation. You just have to use our app. You have to load your wallet. Then you have to open the scanner and you can just scan the QR code, and all the details of the charging station will be displayed in the app. So you can select the time as well if you want to leave in 20 minutes. Also, if you want to skip the duration and charge till whenever you come down to the vehicle, you select that and hit start charge. So you connect the connector to the vehicle and you will get a confirmation in the app saying that it is charging. Unit of electricity will be consumed. For that much amount you will be charged. Nothing more and nothing less.
What is the cost of this charging?
Well, this charging station standalone will cost you around 2.5 to 2.5 lakh. Whole of franchisee model, we offer 1 of this and 2 of these small units. And apart from that, we also provide a flooring, painting, branding, and a canopy if you are putting the setup outside, unlike parking space like this. All the above that I've just said will be included in the franchise package.
Franchise model, how much cost?
Franchise model would cost you 10 lakhs.
Okay.
Yeah.